Student of 8th class, now open your book, MCB book. Its first chapter, Night Voices, the poem. I am your English teacher who is going to describe about this poem. There is dialogue between a father and a son. Generally, we know that small children who ask very meaningful questions, sometimes parents become unable to give appropriate answer to them and they become speechless. Father, who is that whispering? Who is it who whispers in the wood? You say it is breeze, as it sighs among the trees, but there is someone who whispers in the wood. The question is being asked by a small son to his father. As you see in the picture, a father is sitting on a chair having a small boy in his lap, and the question is asked by the boy to his father about the sound which he listens that comes from the wood. His father replies that it may be the sound of wind or the breeze which comes from the trees. But there is someone who whispers in the word who is used in the poem. It means there is someone who can be a human being. Again, the boy repeats the same question, being unsatisfied about the answer to his father. अपने पिता के उत्तर से संतुष्ट न होकर बार बार छोटा सा बच्चा अपने पिता से प्रश्न करता है कि आप कहते हैं कि कोई वहाँ आवाज़ करता है, विस्परिंग करता है, मरमरिंग करता है, और आप हु का प्रयोग करते हैं. द वर्ड हु इज़ जनरली यूज फॉर द ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, नॉट फॉर एनिमल्स और नॉट फॉर अदर नेचुरल ऑब्जेक्ट्स. Who is it who murmurs in the night? You say it is the roar of the wave upon the shore. The second answer gives father to his son that it may be the sound of roaring of the waves of the seashore which strikes or collides to the shore, but there is someone who murmurs in the night. The word who is used again and again frequently. It shows that there is someone like any human being. Father, who is that laughs at us? Who chuckles in the glen? Glen, the word means a narrow belly. तंग घाटी को ग्लीन कहते हैं. O father, let us go, for the light is burning now. The child becomes dreadful or fearful, so he wants to go from that place because the place is full of fears. Because he notices that there is a sound is coming of someone laughing, which makes him fierce, जो उसे डराती है, भयभीत करती है किसी की हंसी की आवाज़. Father tell in the last concluding stanza, the boy asks his father, to whom are you waiting here? Let us go to our eyes. Why your eyes are fixing on the door? It means you are waiting for someone else. But you sit still and starlight, but staring at, ever smiling at the door. In the last line, the boy asks his father, why are you staring toward the door and smiling? It means there is someone who is coming and about whom you are waiting for. This poem shows that the boy was not fully satisfied with the answers of his father and he remained unsatisfied. That's why he asked again and again the same question. He repeats the same question. So this poem also learn with heart, and questions also it's sent to you. ये भी कर